Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve if a plus b equal 12, ab equal 30. So what is the value of a and b? So let's start with today's video solution. So I am consider this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So I am using the identity that is a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is the value of a plus b? As per equation number 1, it's 12. So 12 square equal a square plus b square plus 2 times, and this ab is 30. 12 square is 144 equal a square plus b square plus 60. Take the 60 to other side. It becomes negative 60. 84 equal a square plus b square. Now, another identity a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square equal a square plus b square is 84. This is equation number 3. Minus 2 times ab is 30. So a minus b whole square is 84 minus 60, which is equals to 24. A minus b whole square. Now if I'll take square root both sides, with the help of the square roots remove. So a minus b is plus minus 2 root 6. So and a plus b as per equation number 1 is 12. So case 1, when a plus b is 12 and a minus b is 2 root 6. So if I'll add both, so it gives 2a equal, this will cancel out, 12 plus 2 root 6. So if I divide both sides by 2, so a equal 2 here, 6 plus root 6 by 2. So a1 is 6 plus root 6. Now case second, when a plus b is 12 and a minus b is minus 2 root 6. Again if I'll add, so it's 2a equal 12 minus 2 root 6. Divide both sides by 2. So a equal 6 minus root 6 by 2. So a equals 6 minus root 6, a2. Now we have to find the value of b. A minus b is, a plus b is 12. If a is 6 plus root 6 plus b equal 12, so b is equals to 12 minus 6 minus root 6. So b is equals to 6 minus root 6. And here if a plus b is 12 and a is 6 minus root 6 plus b equal 12. So b equal 12 minus 6 plus root 6. So b equals 6 plus root 6. So what is the value of a and b? If a is 6 plus root 6, then b is 6 minus root 6. And if a is 6 minus root 6, then b is 6 plus root 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have another alternate way, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.